I'm back with another part in this character series. Again, still don't have an official name for it, but yeah. So this part is something that I was supposed to, I guess, upload maybe like 2 days ago. But for the past maybe like 3 days or so, I've been sick. I don't know if you can pick that up from my voice and the way I sound, but yeah, I still haven't like recovered 100%. So yeah, here we are. But progress of the model so far, let's see, what have we done. I'm going to start by doing this thing where it's like I sort of fake thickness on the model, where it's like I extrude faces that sort of go inward within the model so it doesn't look so flat. But I'm not going to do that for all parts. For the cape, since it has to be seen on both sides, that is not something that I am going to do for it specifically. I'm going to use like a solidify modifier, adjust the thickness, and then yeah, do some modeling shenanigans from there afterwards. But yeah, after modeling all the fake thickness into the model, the next thing I'm going to do is apply, I guess, maybe not even apply it yet, but I'm going to add in like a level of subdivision. I'm going to do just one level of subdivision because I don't want it to be like too high poly, and I think even like just one level is enough. And then after doing the subdivision, like I said in the previous video, the subdivision will make the model lose volume, so it's something that I guess I'll have to add on again when I do multi-resolution sculpting. And then from there we're going to do like UV unwrapping, which will lead into baking automatically, because after the multi-res sculpting, I guess like that's where everything has to, like, I guess the UVs will be finalized there and everything else. So yeah, that's about everything that I'm going to do. But other than that, yeah, it's just a few adjustments here and there, and I guess adding certain things to the model. There's not really much, I guess, to add on to it. I haven't done texture painting in Blender in so long, and especially on this laptop. I think maybe I should just learn how to use, is it UCU paint? I don't know how you read that Blender add-on, but yeah, I think it's called UCU paint. I think that's what I'm probably going to learn for texturing. It might hinder, I guess, the upload schedule a bit, but yeah, I don't have other texture painting tools on this laptop. Like I mentioned before, like there's not much that I have on this laptop other than Blender, I guess. So yeah, that's added to the list of problems that I have currently. Also, I'm not going to show it in this video, but I'm not going to model the arms like I mentioned, since in the last video I asked if anyone would want to see me model the hands, not the arms, the hands, and I figured, well, since no one made a comment on that, I might as well just import the hands from another model. So if you see the next part and it's just me importing the hands, or you just see the model with the hands already and you're wondering why didn't I model the hands, or why didn't I show the process of modeling the hands, that's probably why. But yeah, other than that, I guess the model is almost pretty much done now. There's also a matter of like certain things that I modeled off camera. There's the mouth bag, the interior of the mouth, like I mentioned in the previous video. Also the face, I know I'm mentioning this for the second time now, the face also lost a few details from the subdivision, so yeah, I'm going to have to risk it. I think I might just do a whole video process of just me doing multi-resolution sculpting for the entire model, because like a lot of things just, I don't want to say completely disappeared, but a lot of things just vanished. Some are still there and some, well, not so much. But yeah, the model did lose a lot because of the subdivisions, so I guess trying to get that back will be a process in of itself. So yeah, I think it will be just the next video after this one where I do multi-res and UV unwrapping. But other than that, I mean, there's not much to say about the model. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. I've been getting a lot of subs lately, and I think maybe it's because of that short. So to all the new subs, welcome to the channel. I normally make long form content like this. I don't usually post shorts. So if you have the attention span for it, this is what I do here, not those shorts. It takes me a while to do shorts, especially for animation, because like I am not an animator and it takes a lot of time to make animations. So yeah, mostly if you're new to the channel, this is what I'm doing, or rather this is what I do. And if this is something that you're interested in watching, then you know, stay subscribed. But yeah, like I said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully I'll be able to upload it pretty soon and not take as much time as I did. Also forgot, need to model the head. But yeah, again, like I said, you know, problems for I guess the next upload. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one, you know, like I said. Later.